In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rock Band 4 guitar to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To connect your Rock Band 4 guitar to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you will need to follow a few simple steps. So first, ensure compatibility. Make sure that your Rock Band 4 guitar is compatible with your console. Usually, most models should be compatible for both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. The steps I'm gonna give you will apply for both. Now, turn on your console, so power on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and you can go ahead and open up the game if you wish. Now, to actually connect the guitar, if you have a wireless guitar, turn it on and then press the synchronize button. You should be able to find the location of the synchronize button, and the light on the guitar should flash as soon as you press or hold it. Now, press the sync button on your console controller if needed. The lights on both devices should flash and then remain steady, indicating a successful connection. You can go over to the settings inside of the actual console. So if you go over to console and you select devices, you should be able to see it listed there, meaning that it is now ready to be used. If it was properly detected, then just go back into Rock Band 4 and enjoy. Alternatively, if you have a wired guitar, it's as simple as plugging the USB cable from the guitar into one of the available USB ports on your console. The controller will be automatically recognized and ready to be used. So once it is connected, you should be able to play the game and test the functionalities. If you are having trouble, I recommend that you first try reconnecting. So unplug everything, reset the synchronize button, and then press it again. Next, try restarting your console and then check the battery life. If everything fails, it could indicate a problem with the connection because the guitar itself isn't ready to be used for hardware fault. So you might have to switch it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rock Band 4 guitar to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.